What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sell XRP on Phantom Wallet. So if you're looking for a way to sell your XRP here in Phantom Wallet, well, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you need to know here. So the first thing that we need to know here is if we could actually hold XRP on our Phantom Wallet. So if you're going to open up Phantom Wallet here, either in your browser extension or in your mobile device, as you can see, if you search for XRP or anything that says Ripple, as you can see, we don't see any mentions here of XRP or even Ripple. So currently, if you're going to try to hold Ripple or XRP in your Phantom Wallet, well, unfortunately, as of this moment, it's not yet supported, which is something really unfortunate. So you won't be able to hold any XRP, which in this case, you won't also be able to sell XRP on Phantom Wallet, because again, you won't be able to hold XRP in your Phantom Wallet. But what you could do here is, instead of sending that into, let's just say, to Phantom Wallet, you may want to use other platforms out there. Like for example, you have Coinbase or even Binance that you could use to start selling your XRP. So typically speaking, this actually depends on the platform itself. So just to give you some idea here, so for example, if you have or if you transfer your XRP or Ripple into Binance here, you could actually go to the trade option here and go to P2P, and once you choose sell here, and basically, you could go ahead and choose the option here for all payments and just choose whichever payment that you want to receive when you sell your XRP here. Now, depending on the vendor here or the seller, the price itself and the minimum requirement in order for you to make the sale here varies. So go ahead and choose whichever actually fits your ideals here or the price you want. But in this case, there are going to be a lot of payment methods that you could choose here to receive your funds if you want to sell your XRP here. So you can go and click on sell USDT here, and basically you could go and sell that. But by the way, you may need to convert your XRP to USDT first in order for you to use this functionality. But then again, it actually varies depending on what platform they're using. Just in this case, it's because of how Binance is set up. You can go ahead and use the P2P market here to basically sell your XRP. But yeah, so currently it is not yet available to hold, or you won't be able to hold XRP in your Phantom Wallet, but there are going to be other platforms out there that you could use. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.